Hello all, we'll discuss addition program. We'll use two numbers and also we'll use Visual Studio Code Editor to write a program and execute it. Let me open Visual Studio Code Editor. Here we'll take new file, Python file, addition of two numbers, number equal to num2 equal to, and these are the two numbers. The first one is having 1200. The second number is having 1300. Both are the integer values. Now we will take one more variable, that is sum, and we'll add num1 plus num2. Here what it performs, after adding these two numbers, the sum value will be stored in this variable, sum variable. Now we'll try to print the result. Display the result. We'll use print the sum of two numbers 0 and 1 each. So this is the statement. Okay, here in this print function, the sum of two numbers, this is the placeholder 0, this is the second placeholder 1, this is the third placeholder 2. So first placeholder for num1, second placeholder for num2, third placeholder for sum. I'll put a comment here, add the two numbers. Okay, here also one more comment, take the data. This is the, whenever we append hash to the any instruction, like it is a generic instruction or code instruction, that will be commented out. These statements will not be executed by Python interpreter. Now we will run and see the result. Here we'll use run. This is the option, run without debugging. We'll save it. Name of the file add4. We need to save in our local system. Then yeah, you can see the sum of two numbers is 1200 and 1300 is 2500. This is the result. This is the program. Okay, one more time we will execute. We will change the data. Run. Yeah, here the sum of two numbers 13568 and 14678 is 28246. Here we have taken the data directly into the variable. Instead, this will try to take the user input by using input function. So for that reason, we'll comment out this code instructions by using hash. This will be ignored. Okay. Otherwise, we'll remove the data. This one. Then we'll take the values from the user by using input statement, input function, input, enter the first data, num2 equal to input, enter the second data. So this input function takes the data from the user at the runtime, and usually what input perform, input function gives the string data as an output, but our aim is to add two integer numbers. So what we need to do, we need to convert string to integer by using type casting in time putting here, so that the string data whichever it comes, it will be converted to integer itself. For this also same thing. Now we'll run it. See, enter the first data 300, enter the second data 400. The sum of two numbers is 300 and 400 is 700, 700. Now one more time we'll execute. This is the code. Just see once again. Now we'll execute one more time. Enter the first data. Enter the second data. And the sum of two numbers is this, and this is this much.